Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a setup file for a WinForms app in Visual Studio 2022 and enable automatic updates. This makes deploying and updating your app across many machines much easier. I'll be using the project from my previous video where I built a modern login form. You can find the link to that video in the comments below. Let's start by opening the project you want to publish, then add an icon to the form. Make sure the icon size is appropriate for an exe file, usually 48 by 48 for best results. Next, right-click the project and choose Properties. In the Application tab, add the icon for the exe file, then rebuild the project. After the rebuild, open Debug or Release folder. You should see that the exe file now uses the icon you selected. Now, right-click the project again and select Publish. Choose ClickOnce as the publish method. If ClickOnce isn't available, you can install it through the Visual Studio installer. In the Publish wizard, set your publish location. This is the folder where the publish output will be created. Then click Next. For the install location, choose from website if you want to host the installer on a website. In the Settings window, open Update Settings. Here, you can control how automatic updates work. You can set a minimum required version before the app runs. You can also choose whether updates happen before the app starts or while it's running. Next, go to Application Files. This section lists all the files that will be deployed. Under Prerequisites, add any frameworks or components your app needs to install first. In Options, open the Description tab. You can enter the publisher name, suite name, product name, and your support URL. In the Deployment section, decide whether to generate a publish.html page when publishing your app. In Manifest, you can choose to create shortcuts when the app is installed. Under Sign Manifest, assign a certificate. This ensures your installer is signed and protected from modification. Finally, open Configuration. Here you can select the release or debug build and choose the target platform. Click Publish. When it's done, open the Publish folder. You'll see the exe file and the .application file inside the Publish folder. Inside Application Files, you'll find versioned folders. Each published version goes into its own folder. Let's zip the published folder, upload it to your website, and then extract it on the server. Now, open the publish page URL. You'll see the install information. Click Install or the launch link to start the installation. The installation will run automatically. After the installation is complete, open, add, or remove programs to confirm that your app is listed. The ClickOnce installer places the app inside the user profile. To display the installed version inside your app, use the ClickOnce environment variable. Then convert it to a version object and show it on your form. When you publish a new version folder appears in application files. Upload the updated publish folder to the same website path. When users run the installed app, they'll be prompted to update if prompts are enabled. If you set a minimum required version, the app will update automatically without showing a prompt. To protect your installer from tampering, create a certificate and sign the manifest. This will make sure your files are signed, helping prevent any modification or virus injection. That's it. You now know how to create a ClickOnce setup in Visual Studio 2022 and enable automatic updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.